pyramid. Number of edges a triangular prism has is, see, this is a triangular prism. These are the triangles and prism means 3 rectangles are there. How many edges? So there are 9 edges, 5 faces and 6 vertices. Count yourself and always apply Euler's formula for this. F plus V equals to E plus 2. 5 plus 6 11 equals to 9 plus 2 11. Okay. If a polyhedron has 12 vertices and 8 faces, then number of edges of the polyhedron will be, here always apply Euler's formula. F plus V equals to E plus 2. Apply this. 8 plus 12 equals to E plus 2, E equals to 18. Next, solids having only line segments as its edges is a, that is called as polyhedron. See, all these are polyhedrons. These not two dimensional or 3-dimensional figures are polyhedrons. So why? Because they are having edges. A sphere is not a polyhedron. Why? Because it doesn't have any edge, right? So remember this. Which of the following is the top view of the given figure? Top view means from above. That is called a plan actually. So of the given figure. So what if you see this from above? What will you see? You will see only these 3 blocks, nothing else. Okay, nothing of these. So only A is the answer. State true or false. Pentagonal prism has 5 pentagons. That is false. Why? See, this is a pentagonal prism. How many pentagon it has? 1 and 2, and remaining all are rectangles. Euler's formula is true for all 3-dimensional figures. That is false because it is not applicable to spheres. All cubes are prisms. That is true because what is a cube basically? It's a prism. A polyhedron with least number of faces is known as triangular pyramid. That is also true because otherwise everything has more number of faces. Only triangular pyramid has least number of faces. Download Yuaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp on the number for any query related to purchases. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.